Welcome to BG's Airwaves TV. Today, we are celebrating one of the most timeless and confidence boosting hairstyles for mature black women over 50, the beautiful Pixie haircuts. If you have been thinking about changing your look or embracing your natural beauty with a stylish, low maintenance haircut, the Pixie cut might be exactly what you need. A Pixie haircut is more than just a short hairstyle, it is elegant, youthful, and incredibly versatile. One of the biggest reasons women over 50 love pixie cuts is that they are easy to maintain while still looking polished and sophisticated. Whether your hair is relaxed, natural, grey, or color treated, there is a pixie style that can complement your features beautifully. For mature black women, pixie cuts can help frame the face, soften facial features, and add volume where it is needed most. Layered pixie styles can create the illusion of fuller hair, making them an excellent choice for women experiencing thinning hair. Side-swept bangs can also add softness and a youthful touch without looking overdone. Another advantage of the pixie haircut is its versatility. You can wear it sleek and smooth for an elegant look, add soft coils for volume and texture, or create a top tapered pixie for a bold and modern appearance. Silver and grey pixie styles have also become increasingly popular, proving that beauty truly has no age limit. When choosing a pixie haircut, it's important to consider your face shape and lifestyle. Women with round faces may prefer styles with extra height at the crown, while those with oval or heart-shaped faces can enjoy a wide variety of pixie designs. If you are always on the go, a low maintenance pixie can save and can be available styling time every day. Maintaining a pixie cut is surprisingly simple. Regular trims every 4 to 6 weeks will help preserve its shape and style. Keeping your hair moisturized with lightweight products and protecting it at night with a satin bonnet or pillowcase will also help maintain its healthy appearance. Most importantly, don't be afraid to embrace change. A pixie haircut is not about looking younger, it's about looking and feeling your very best at every age. Confidence is always the most beautiful thing you can wear. So whether you are embracing your natural grey hair or trying a chic new look, the pixie haircut remains one of the most flattering and empowering choices for mature black women over 50. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with someone who might be ready for their next beautiful hair transformation. Thank you for watching BJ.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same moon boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every Porsche light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Don't go She grew